Are you brave enough to discover nature's deadliest secret? Buckle up. From venomous snakes to toxic plants, the natural world is a battlefield of survival. But what if I told you the deadliest poison isn't what you think? Introducing batrachotoxin. Found in the skin of the tiny, vibrant poison dart frog, just one touch can be fatal. This toxin can stop your heart faster than you can say ribbit. But how does it work? Batrachotoxin disrupts your nervous system, causing paralysis and cardiac arrest. Yikes, but wait, there's more. These frogs don't even produce the toxin themselves. They get it from their diet of specific insects. Talk about a deadly buffet. So next time you think of the deadliest poison, remember the tiny frog with a big bite. Curious for more wild facts? Hit that like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more nature secrets. Stay curious, stay safe.